Hello guys, today we are going to be reviewing a condenser microphone. This is my first tech review, and if you want to see more, please comment, like this video, and to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Now, let's begin. So this is the microphone, and let's open it. Okay, so we have a little instruction manual. You see operating instructions, and it's just basic stuff. Teach you how to set it up, angles, set your input levels, stuff like that. So we're gonna not really care about that right now. So first thing we have our USB cable, and this is USB to, I have no idea what this is. I think this is what connects to the microphone itself. This is the microphone. And let's look. Yep, that's the thing that connects to the thing down here, the cable. Okay, this is our microphone, and if you see right here, we have volume levels, so you can set your sensitivity and stuff. Let's see, next we have a holder. This helps support this. And then we have a tripod that will connect to this, and it will all connect together. So let's connect it. Okay guys, let's begin. So we need to first unravel this cable. So we gotta get this off. Okay, got this together. Got this, gotta set this out of the way. Now we gotta take this out. Now here's our tripod. And they all come out individually. So then we screw on our tripod. Okay, we screw this on. And then we screw on this. So let's just screw on the microphone itself. Actually, it might go the other way. Yeah, it goes the other way. Okay. So you make it inside here. And you just keep screwing this in. Okay, we keep screwing it in. It's completely screwed in. At least I think. Let's see, we already got everything out of the box. See, the box is empty. Don't even worry about the box. So it's tight now, it's not coming out undue. Now look, now we have it. Perfect. Hello guys, this is my computer I'm on. And so this is our audio test. So make sure, here's how you're gonna do it. You get to plug this in. Okay, and then you connect this USB to your computer, and let's see how it sounds.
Well, hello guys, this is my new microphone, and as you can see, it sounds so much better than my old one. And this condenser mic can only cost $20 on Amazon. I got it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. And you see, it's blue, meaning it's on. You can adjust the sensitivity, and this is a pretty good mic. It just rests on your desk, and you don't even see it when it's down here. Well, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and check out some more of my other videos. Cuba.